Buenas noches compañeros, mi nombre es Edison Beltrán. El día de hoy voy a realizar un texto en presente perfecto utilizando el since y el for. Este es mi texto, aquí lo relaciono en esa presentación y realicé inserté unas imágenes para hacerlo más descriptivo. Eh, Voy a comenzar. My name is Edison Beltrán. I'm from Bogotá. I have lived in Kumal for 2 years. I have lived in Eastern Plains for 2 years. I had been an electrical technologist for 5 years, and I have worked since 2017 in industrial projects. I like sports. I had practiced cycling for 8 years. The most I have traveled in my bicycle is 70 kilometers. Also played soccer since I was a child. I like to travel by motorcycle with my friends. We have traveled to many parts of the country. The last trip we've made has been to Tatacoa Desert. Esto es todo el video. Muchas gracias compañeros.